Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science. It aims to create machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI systems are designed to analyze information, recognize patterns, and make predictions. Imagine a computer program that can play chess like a grandmaster, or a self-driving car that navigates busy streets. These are examples of AI in action. AI relies on algorithms, which are sets of instructions that tell computer how to solve a problem. These algorithms allow AI systems to process vast amounts of data and learn from experience. Just like humans learn from their mistakes, AI systems can improve their performance over time by analyzing data and adjusting algorithms accordingly. This ability to learn and adapt is what makes AI so powerful and transformative. The dream of creating intelligent machines has existed for centuries. In Greek mythology, Hephaestus created mechanical servants. However, the modern field of AI emerged in the mid-20th century. The Dartmouth Workshop in 1956 is widely considered the birthplace of AI as a field of study. It brought together leading researchers to discuss the possibility of creating thinking machines. Early AI research focused on developing symbolic AI, which involved representing knowledge using symbols and rules. Programs like ELIZA, created in the 1960s, could hold those simple conversations with humans. While impressive at the time, these early systems were limited in their ability to handle complex or ambiguous situations. They lacked the ability to learn and adapt to new information, which is crucial for true intelligence. A major shift in AI came with the rise of machine learning. Unlike symbolic AI, which relies on explicit rules, machine learning allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This approach involves feeding massive data sets into algorithms that can identify patterns and make predictions. The development of artificial neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain played a crucial role in this revolution. One of the key breakthroughs in machine learning was the development of deep learning. Deep learning algorithms use multiple layers of neural networks to process information in a hierarchical manner, enabling them to learn complex representations of data. This breakthrough led to significant advances in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and game playing. Today, AI is pervasive, impacting many aspects of our lives. We interact with AI daily, often without even realizing it. Our smartphones use AI for voice assistance, facial recognition, and personalized recommendations. Social media platforms leverage AI to curate our news feeds and target us with ads. Beyond our personal lives, AI is transforming industries. In healthcare, AI is used for disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. Manufacturing industries utilize AI for process optimization, predictive maintenance, and quality control. The financial sector relies on AI for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. Section 5. The future of AI. Amazing possibilities and challenges. The future of AI holds immense potential. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are expected to revolutionize fields like transportation, education, and scientific research. Self-driving cars promise to make transportation safer and more efficient. AI-powered tutors could provide personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. In scientific research, AI is accelerating discoveries in fields such as astronomy, genomics, and materials science. However, the rapid advancement of AI also raises important ethical and societal concerns. One major concern is the potential for job displacement as AI automates tasks previously performed by humans. Ensuring a smooth transition for workers in the face of AI-driven automation is crucial. Another concern is the potential for bias in AI systems, which can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. Section 6. The importance of ethical AI. As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial to ensure it is developed and used ethically and responsibly. We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations for AI development and deployment. This includes addressing issues of bias, transparency, and accountability. AI systems should be designed to be fair, unbiased, and transparent in their decision-making processes. Furthermore, it's important to foster a public dialogue about the implications of AI. Educating the public about AI, its potential benefits, and its risks is essential. Open and inclusive discussions about the ethical considerations surrounding AI will help shape its development and deployment in a way that benefits all of humanity. Section 7, AI and the job market challenges and opportunities. The rise of AI is undoubtedly transforming the job market. While some fear mass job displacement, others see AI as an opportunity to create new jobs and industries. It's crucial to approach this transition strategically. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses need to work together to prepare the workforce for the future. Investing in education and training programs that equip individuals with the skills needed in an AI-powered economy is paramount. This includes fostering skills in areas such as data science, software engineering, and AI ethics. Moreover, promoting lifelong learning initiatives will be essential for individuals to adapt to the evolving job market. Section 8, Living with AI, a future of collaboration. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, we should strive to create a future where humans and AI collaborate. AI can augment human capabilities, enabling us to solve complex problems, make better decisions, and lead more fulfilling lives. By harnessing the power of AI while retaining human oversight and control, we can create a future where technology serves humanity. This collaboration will require ongoing dialogue and understanding between humans and AI systems. We need to develop AI systems that can explain their reasoning, understand human values, and adapt to our needs. By fostering a symbiotic relationship between humans and AI, we can unlock unprecedented opportunities for progress. Section 9. Conclusion: AI's journey and humanity's future. The journey of AI, from its humble beginnings to its current capabilities, is a testament to human ingenuity. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on our lives will only become more profound. It's our responsibility to guide its development in a direction that benefits all of humanity. By embracing ethical considerations, fostering collaboration, and adapting our skills for the future, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous future for all. The future of AI is ultimately in our hands, and it's up to us to shape it wisely.